Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and safe in your home. Oh my dear students, today I am going to explain new topic, that is Microsoft Excel. First of all, we have to see the use of tables in MS Word. Previous class I told for you MS Word. On that MS Word already we learned how to create a tables. The tables were used to display the information in a rows and columns. The informations you stored in a word tables does not change into a own. So but if you want to perform some calculations in your table, okay, are you understand? But if you want to perform some calculations in your table, you have to use a spreadsheet software. What is that? Spreadsheet software. That spreadsheet software is a Microsoft Excel. In this Microsoft Excel, spreadsheets are there. On the spreadsheet, we have to enter the perform and calculations part. And the spreadsheet is a interactive computer application software. Spreadsheet is a interactive computer application software for organizing of analysis to store the data relevant to your work in a tabular form. So we are using spreadsheets to enter the performing and calculations part. On the data you have to represent is cells organizations. It's representing to the rows and columns. It is easily to perform the complex mathematically calculations in a spreadsheet. So Microsoft Excel is a helpful and very powerful program to enter the data analysis and documentations. So MS Excel is a one of the most popular spreadsheet software. It is widely used to perform mathematically calculations with the help of built tools such as formulas, functions and data analysis also. Like that only in MS Excel spreadsheets are there, no? Like that only some other softwares also is there. That software name is OpenOffice Calci, which work is similar manner like in a Excel also. Like that same Excel softwares only remaining some softwares also are there. That is the OpenOffice software. It is used to spread to perform the calculation part. And next one Calci also, like that only same manner we have to work in the Calci also in Excel. Okay. And MS Excel advanced. What is the use of MS Excel? To create to enter the data in a spreadsheet, to doing the calculation parts in MS Excel. And what is the advantages of MS Excel means, we have to say to help the organizing of huge amount of data and to perform the calculations easily and very quickly. This is the most important and advantages. We are using mainly this advantages only to perform the calculations easily and quickly. To build the functions also can help to complex of calculations. You can filter the store data according to your need. According to your need means you can filter the data where you want to filter the data, like that according to you need. Okay, it has to prepare illustrative graphic easily. It helps to import data, form and export data to the other software also. So these are the introduction of MS Excel. Now how to start MS Excel in computer? First of all, click on to the first of all open your computer and click on to the start menu. Where is the start menu? Left side of the desk bar, left side of the desktop, left side of the desktop and corner of the desktop also. So you can click the start menu. On the start menu you have to click all programs. Then after click all program, after you have to click the accessories. Then you have to click the Microsoft Office package. On that Office package you have to select the MS Excel. MS Excel. Look at this one, all of you. This is the MS Excel screen. What is this? MS Excel screen. This is the spreadsheet software. This is the spreadsheet software. In this MS Excel, we have to see means this is the it can be shown in the spreadsheets. That is the spreadsheet software to perform the some calculations in this table, in these tables and cells and rows, columns. And look this one, MS Excel screen. This is the MS Excel screen. Every application top of the bottom, what is that? Title bar. What is that, ma? Title bar. Below the title bar, what will have? Menu bar. On that menu bars only, what will it represent? Tabs. On that menu bar only we have to it can be representing the tabs also. That is the file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review tab, view tab. Like this, tabs are representing in the menu bar. Where is the menu bar? Below the title bar. Okay. Below the menu bar, one big box is there. That is the ribbon box. What is that? Ribbon box. Ribbon box can contain the ribbon box can contains the commands to organizing the three components. The ribbons contain the commands organizing in the three components. That is the tabs, groups and commands. It is representing to the commands of organizing in the three component. That is the tab one, second one is group, third one is commands. Tabs are located on the menu bar, and groups, which tab you have to click the tab, it will representing the small groups. That is we have to call group command. And next one, commands appears as a button within each group. Commands appears as a button within each group. So this is the ribbon dialog box. Below the ribbon dialog box we have to see means empty area, white color. That is the formula bar. That is the formula bar. What is the use of formula bars means? What is the use of formula bar means? The formula bar display the data or the formula in the active cell. It is also used to edit the data in that cell also. Okay, this is the formula bar. And next one, formula bar only, we have to look at my left side of the formula bar. That is the name box. That is the name box. What is the use of name box? The name box is a found below the ribbon of the left. It is displayed to the column letters and row numbers of the active cell. For example, column we have to see means A to Z columns, and we have to see rows means it is representing the numbers. So A1, that is the A1, that is the name box. It can be representing the whatever you have to enter the data, it can representing the numbers box. And below the numbers box we have to look at this means workbook. That is the workbook. And spreadsheet area. This is the spreadsheet area. In this spreadsheet area we have to see means so many cells are there. We have to so many cells are there. On the cell we have to say rows and columns. Rows and column. In this spreadsheet, the rows are, how many rows are there means 1,48,576 rows are in spreadsheet. How many rows ma? 1,48,576 rows in one sheet. Only one worksheet is 1,48,576 rows are there. Okay. And next one is column bar. On that column bars we have to look at means A to Z alphabets are there. A to Z alphabet. In this column also, in one worksheet, how many columns are there means 1600 384 columns are there. 1600 384. It is vertically it have to representing the vertically. It have to representing in the vertically. Rows are in horizontally, columns are in vertically. How many rows are in our Excel means 1,48,576, and columns means 1600. 384 columns are there. This is the rows and columns. Next one, cell. What is cell means? Each intersection of a row and column form a cell which the data is stored. A cell is the smallest unit of worksheet. When you double click on the cell, flashing of vertical bar appears that you can enter the data in that cell. So each cell has a unique address. Unique address means, for example means for example, a with column means a. Column A cell you have to take. Okay, column A cell with the row 4 will give the cell, and address is located to the A4. That is the similarly like a G18, a G17, a G16, A2, A3, like that. That is the cell addresses. And next one is cell pointer. And next one is cell pointer is nothing but when you have to select the cell, it gets the highlighted. The highlighted cell border we have to call cell pointer. The highlighted which cell you have to select, the cell is highlighted, so the highlighted cell we have to call cell pointer. Okay, are you understand columns and rows? Next, active sheet, sheet area, view buttons, this all the part of the MS Excel screen. Okay student, next one, this is the and one more is in MS Excel only. Top of the title bar is there. Now below the title bar, what is that? Menu bar. On that menu bar, first tab is what is that? File tab. On that file tab, every file tab and every application file tab, same options are there. That is the save, file, open, exit, save as, like this only. Like this only, same options are there in every application also. Do you understand? This is the MS Excel screen. Next one, how to create a new blank workbook. How to create a new blank workbook means, first of all, go to the file tab. Where is the file tab? In menu bar. Where is the file tab represent? In menu bar. In menu bar we have to click the file tab. On that file tab you have to choose the new option. Which option? Click on a new option. On that new option you have to click means right side of the panel, available templates are there. On that available templates you have to choose blank workbook. You have to choose which one? Blank workbook. Why blank workbook? Now you are creating a new blank workbook means, so you have to choose the, what is that? New blank workbook only you have to choose. Then you have to, once new blank workbook click means right side of to have to see means create option also there. Then you have to create means you have to show the blank worksheet on the Excel. Look at this one. This is the blank worksheet on Excel. Now you are creating to the new blank workbook. Now how to enter the data in cell? How to enter the data in Excel means, first of all, select the cell where you want to enter the data. First of all, select the cell in spreadsheet where you want to enter the data. Click on double click on it. On that cell, double click, type a data. Yours which you want to type a data, you want to enter the data. Then after, press the enter key on the keyboard. When you type the data in a cell, it is visible in the formula bar at the top. All of you, when you type the data in a cell, when you type a data in a cell, it is visible to the formula bar also. Where is the formula bar? Below the ribbon. It can be it can be seen the formula bar also, where you what you enter the data in cell, it can be visible to the formula bar also. What you are entering the data, it can be visible on the formula bar also. So like this you have to entering the data in a cell, and new blank workbook you have to enter the data in a cell. And next one is types of data. How many types of data we have to see entered in a worksheets means, mainly we have to say MS Excel have three basic types of data. Three basic types of data. That is the first one, text data, numeric data, formula data. Text data means you know very well what is text. Text means in computer these are the values which can contains the both numbers and alphabets, are also called as a strings data. For example, serial number, S means alphabet. Now we have to give serial number dot, that is the strings we have to call. Number means numbers like 1 2 3. So both enter the number and alphabet or strings, we have to enter the data. The type of data we have to call text data. What is that? Text data. And next numeric data means we have to enter the integers or numbers or decimals, we are entering the number form. And next formula, in this formula we have to what is the formula data means, we have to entering the formula which implies the contents of a cells are divided by 5, like C5 by 5 we are divided by we have to storing in the D5. Like this it can be representing in the formula data form. This is the formula data. Okay student, are you understand? Type of data, how many types is there? Three types, that is the text, numeric and formula. These are the three basic type of data we are entering in a spreadsheet. Okay student, that's all for today. Are you understand which topics I told for you? First of all, MS Excel screen. Under MS Excel screen I explained all the part of screen. And next one, how to enter the data and how to create a data. Okay student, are you understand? Thank you students. We will see next class remaining part of MS Excel. Thank you.